Alright, so here's my new and improved grader blade. As you can see, it's been sitting out here for a bit, getting some patina on it, but anyways, yeah, so basically this part here started out as a Jonh Deere snowplow mount or attachment. Then I cut it here and here and angled it in to fit like a triangle to make strength, and I had this piece here that's from like a snowplow that I plowed in the snow on the roads. My dad had a friend who worked for the city, so he got me that. And then I got this old piece of angle iron, and I bolted that together, and then I had this piece of 3/4 inch plate, and then there's a piece of 3/8 plate here that I cut out on the CNC plasma cutter with my drawing up of the triangle, and it has 3 adjustment spots. So yeah, that works pretty good actually. And then it just adjusts to wherever you need, and then it works pretty good. So yeah, then here's some video of it working and some pictures. So hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.